Hey guys, today, basically, after watching so many EDC pocket dumps on YouTube, I basically just want to do my own video on a pocket dump of what I carry on a daily basis. So, let's get started. I carry a paracord, bracelet, the whistle, my G-Shock watch. This is a few years old now. I think I got it in 2006 or something like that. What else do I have? I have a Lufkin 3-meter metric tape measure. My Uzi tactical self-defense pen. Got a permanent marker, a striker mechanical pencil with Duralead refills. It's got a cleaning towelette, post-it notes. Sorry, just had to make a small adjustment there. Carry this little pocket tool with various Allen keys. It's actually a bike tool, but I find the contents of tools to be pretty handy. Swiss Army knife, Mountaineer. In particular, the tools I find on this to be most useful for at work carry are the scissors, and the metal saw. Very, very useful for me at work. Just a pair of general work gloves always helps when you're at work. This is my Hillmore folding utility knife. I carry a Stanley carbide blade. These blades are just awesome. They last and last and last, and that's with a lot of heavy duty everyday cutting. My Cree zoomable mini flashlight, packs quite the punch. Sorry guys. Leatherman sidekick. Lots and lots of useful tools on this puppy. I use it pretty much on a daily basis. It's always with me when I'm at work. And that's pretty much it. I have my large keychain. These are all my work keys. Just need them on me at all times. Two-way radio, obviously. Work needs me to be on call. So there you have it, guys. It's basically everything I carry on me when I'm at work. Thanks for watching.